In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jira to n8n. This is a great way to automate your workflow and make managing your tasks more efficient. We'll be going through a series of steps, so make sure you follow along carefully. First, start by navigating to your Jira account. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you do so using your credentials. Once you're in, the next step is to open a new tab and head over to the Atlassian account management page by typing in the URL id@atlassian.com. Here, you will manage your account settings necessary for this integration. Once you're on the Atlassian page, locate the section to manage API tokens. You will see an option to create a new API token. Click on it. Naming your token is important as it helps in identifying what particular integration the token is for. So type a relevant name for this token related to n8n. After naming it, hit the Create button. At this point, your new API token is generated. To view it, click on the option to reveal or show the token. This step is crucial as the token is like a key that will allow n8n to access your Jira data securely. Copy this token carefully and store it in a safe place because you'll need it in the following steps. And remember, it's sensitive information that you shouldn't share with others. Now, let's move over to n8n. Open your n8n workflow editor. On the interface, look for the plus button, usually depicted by a plus symbol. Clicking this brings up a module to add a new connection. In the search bar, type Jira to find the appropriate module. From the available options, select Jira Software. Once you've added Jira Software, configure it by selecting the option that responds to any changes in issue links. This functionality is a wonderful automation trick handling updates for you. You'll now need to set up credentials. Click on the Credentials option to begin setting this up. Look for Create New Credential to initiate a new access configuration for Jira. In the credential settings, select API token as your authentication type since it's our chosen method today. Now it's time to paste the token we copied earlier at the designated input field. This connects n8n to your Jira through the token you generated. Next, you'll need to specify your domain. Make sure the domain you enter is correct, as this tells n8n exactly where your Jira resides. Finally, after filling in all the required fields, the last step is to click Save. This finalizes the connection and stores your configuration settings. Congratulations! You have now successfully connected Jira to n8n, setting the stage for powerful automation and streamlined workflows. Make sure to test it out to ensure everything is working as expected. Thank you for watching and happy automating.